Welcome to the Traders Help Desk online video collection. In this video I want to go over the THD ADX as well as the THD RSI, which is one of our newest indicators. As you can see, and I did some other videos this morning that actually showed the currency meter, we knew that the British pound was moving during the Asian session last night. Now, as you can see on the RSI, you now have green lines and you have red lines. And you also have the same ones on the ADX. And what I do is use both of these tools together to confirm divergence or to confirm the strength of a trend. Now, at this point during this trend, you can see that you had divergence on the ADX. I immediately look up to the RSI to see if this is confirmed. I know at this point that it is not because it is higher than the previous high, which has a small blue dot. Okay, so it pulls back a little bit and then it starts to continue upwards. The ADX gives you a green line. The RSI give you a green line. This is telling you to stay with your trend. Again, you have another green line that's connecting these highs. Now, what I'm looking at is as prices making higher highs, does the ADX make higher highs? Yes, it does. Then we get a lower high here, as you can see. Now, again, I'll look at the RSI to see if it confirms this. It does not. So I go ahead and I stick with my trade. We then get another high here and another high here. At this point, is it confirmed by the ADX? By the RSI? Yes, it is. Because you can already see that your red lines are coming down off of it. The previous high was here. So I know that this trend is starting to run out of strength. Okay, again, you get a high here that is maybe 1 to 2 ticks above this previous high. Again, the ADX is showing that it's higher than the previous high. So this is confirming this might be the last leg of this uptrend. It is not making lower highs or doing anything at this point that really concerns me. So you can either, you have already taken your profit out by now, or perhaps you're going to re-enter. Let's say that you re-enter here. This is telling me you probably only want to take one level. Don't try to get all three levels. Whereas back here, I could go to all three of my clipper levels. At this point, I'm only looking for one clipper level, okay? Because we've already had divergence here. And then again, you make another high here. And again, this is divergence on the RSI. And when you look back to the previous high, and this line will not be drawn because you've already had the two highs here. But when you look back to this high, this was the highest point previously, and you connect it to this, you can actually see divergence. That is not drawn on your chart. Then your final divergence actually comes here. In that particular bar, you make a new high and then it closes in the middle of the bar. That is one that's telling you the buyers are definitely losing control now.